to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have you make some difference that you live and live well, by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat! Welcome sa Lamisin ang Pagbabalik Tanaw. Here are the moments of life led by Rupert A. Santos.
Born on September 25, 1879, I am a writer, novelist, journalist, and a public servant and became the Senator of the Philippines. I am the son of Ladislao Santos and Victoria Canseco. I am Lope Casatos.
Jose Corazon de Jesus. Also known as Florentino Corretes.
A Filipino poet, also known for my contributions to Philippine literature during the American colonial period. A prolific writer known for my works in both English and Tagalog. I did.
Patricio Mariano.
Born in Santa Cruz, Manila on March 17, 1877, back when I was young, I already showed a particular liking towards painting and music. But as I grew older, I became fond of writing.
And lastly, Amado P. Hernandez.
A Filipino poet and a labor leader, I have sought to give voice to the voiceless, to tell the stories of the marginalized and the middle-class.
These are the poets of life. And now, I present to you their works, starting with Kabayanihan ni Rupert A. Santos.
Ang kahulugan mo ay isang paglilingkod na walang paupa sa hirap at pagod. Minsang sa anyaya, minsang pusang loob. Pag-ibig sa kapwa ang lagay nito. Natatalastas mo sa iyong pananim, iba ang aalip, iba ang kakanin. Tatapwat sa iyo'y ligayan ng aliw, ang pagpagkasakit ng sa iba dahil. Pawis, yaman, dunong, lakas, dugo, buhay. Puno-punuhan mo at iniaalay. Kapag kaibig mong sa kaalipinan, ay makatubos ka ng aliping bayan. Sa tulong mo't naging maalwan ang mukha, sa turong mo'y